right now, execute the command, and then at the end, um, the real points reduction. This is just then the motive result if it's good or what. Okay, since this is just check limit, I'm gonna nitpicking this. Okay. Um, we need the database call, of course. So after checking our permission is good, it's not upload CMD. Uh, what's the wrong guy? We should be checking check limit CMD. So if we are admin, we should why my one is open again? I close you guys. Okay, we do have, we don't have. So we we need to where's our permissions? Can I close this one? Load check limit, right? Just gonna copy paste. See, I copy paste this one. If you want the cost on, check limit, up to you. But it's definitely like, yeah, points, of course. I just, just making sure. Just copy paste these two more. Check limit, download, of course, download, and then check uploaded. I should put like uploaded. Check uploaded. Check uploaded. Okay. Check element uploaded. Go back to your commands. Make sure you change those. This one, check element. Check element uploaded. Yeah, it's better. So the other developer, your plugin, can read them easily just by, but there's it's like a double-edged sword. It's not just for developer. This is for, like some guy, doing reverse engineering of your thing. They can easily read those as well. Okay, so are we good? Check element uploaded. Okay, I'm going back to our CPP now. This one. So I just put if you have some different kind of like this, it's okay. Maybe what you can do, because you don't want them to spam, right? Trigger. So, for example, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Sorry, 60 seconds. Same as this one, because they're spammable. Or, yeah, that's a good thing as well. What we can do here, what we can do here is add as well. Um, the upload only is the downloads is okay. But if you don't have downloads, yeah, because downloads is like the it will trigger not really often because when you download it will download everything, but it's still spammable, right? Maybe we just put it here as well. Okay, so we're gonna work on this. First, after getting permission, oh, we need to add it here as well, so we don't forget. Okay, you don't have permission, and If you don't have permission, we're gonna add it from bypass. I'm just putting some to-dos there so we know that we have to-dos. Okay. This is most basically the constructor of everything. Um, what we're gonna do here is we are done here, right? Of course, bigger interval. Yeah. Okay. Maybe before we copy paste this, we do the check trigger and add trigger. Mm, okay. Ah, so since we do have those trigger function added, right? Uh, Here notic result, Discord, um, Discord report like that. Because we're gonna send some message to Discord as well that we are uploading some messages. I mean, uploading some element. Okay. First we do it. Utils go here and check your trigger. But first we do need to make a add trigger interval. Here inline int how many load, make it smaller, upload uh, cooldown equals 0. Copy paste those for 4 more because we all have like cooldown. Okay, upload, download, and then no, not cooldown. This is really bad naming. Oh, anyway, just check commands again. Check uploaded, and then check limit. Check limit. One big, put it in big. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use the timer on this case. We do have timer callback right here. What we can do here is, this is the check anyway. Um, First, we're gonna set this, for example here, limit, right? After triggering the command, everything else, then we're gonna add element transfer, and then check limit equals to current delta, the timer. So here, this one is being added every time, right? We're gonna add those. This is the current timer, right? And then if checking it, we're adding it after we trigger everything, right? So for checking, it's almost the same, I think. Don't need the function for it. Of course, we can do it, right? Like AI do. If element cooldown, no. No. Wait, I'm kind of lost here. Because for example, if the counter is like 200, So we save the 200 in this value. And what's your timer cooldown, right? So you need the developer no, 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 config here, which is trigger interval, right? So plus 60. So what we set here, the current timer plus your command that value equals to trigger interval, right? And then put it 0. That's not okay. But for default, that's 0. Because every time has a string. Okay, make it like that. So our current timer, which is for example, we are already in 100 delta plus the trigger interval plus 60, so 160, right? And then when you want to trigger under 160, so for example your counter still counter like 140, and then we gonna check the counter if it's the same as, if not equal, of course, and then return, right? Or maybe not just return, just put space there. Not just return, you copy paste some stuff from here, which is the command error here, right? Debug permission. Are we using that one? Debug permission. And then copy paste all of this. Just another add. Oh, yeah, element store instead. So this one is logging, but it could be spammy in your logs. What we're gonna do here, still cool down, still cool down, just like that. I can remember like cool down word notification. That error. We're not gonna use that. Maybe a static message for this. Okay, so command is cool down data, right? Up to here. Okay, command still cool down. Try again later. Um, maybe orange or maybe yellow because it's warning yellow, right? So 15 minutes and we have it here. What you could do is since we're gonna use this more often, you go to your read again. Just a simple setting like this. Inline uh, float motif display time, right? Like 3, the default one. in your float. Why am I using comma? Float, not if this text size 1.3. Yeah. Or C++ developer, you know. Okay. Are we doing it right? Okay, yeah. Uh, since then we need to set this when we utils read. Where are you reading? Yeah, set it here. Okay. And then the size. Let's see. Just making it automatic. Copy paste this namespace. And then equals. Copy paste this guy. Element config, not debug, of course. You go to your general and then display time, general, and then display time. Go back there, copy paste the next one, point, make sure you change it to general. Okay, but here, do float. I hope they JSON has float. Yeah, they do have. Okay, we setting it up here, but we set the default like that, right? Okay. Oh, everything else, we're good, we're good. You don't need the timer. Oh, yeah. After, anyway, uh, I think we might forget something. But anyway, let's just finish this notification and figure out that problem here, right here. Okay. And one more thing. I think we do have it here as well. You know what? If you wanna do this like more readability, you can just enter everything. Notification time. Actually, what I can do is, find all, make sure how many I've used. It's like three, right? Three. So I'm gonna do is to replace them with this one, like that, and then this one. I hope I don't have. That's why I'm checking it like find all first. Then I have it in transfer in this one, right? And then we're gonna change it to notif text size. And then click this one, replace all, like that. Two, right? We have two here. Okay, that's it. Um, then we do have permission points checking and the execute later. Okay, notif results. Yeah, we don't have it yet. What we're gonna do is wait. This is set this, yeah, set trigger interval. Okay, then check trigger interval. After that is set to a refresh cooldown. Refresh cool. No, after we check, we're gonna refresh it again from this one, right? We don't need to worry about it. Okay, unless it will return right away about here. or else you won't trigger it anymore. That's why you need to refresh them. Okay. Maybe move back. Okay. You need to put it here because we made like return. Why don't I refresh? Oh no. Um, for refreshing it. Oh man, this one. Oh no, 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 no. This is so bad. Bad idea. Because we haven't set it yet. So, for example, right here, cool down. It's 0, right? Hmm. So if we are checking, so when we check, we need to bypass if it's 0. Okay? Or like this, like that. What is this? What's it? Copy paste all of this. Wait. If element make maybe you put this in the first one, so you know. Um, if it was equals to 0, so if no, it's not equal to 0, not equals to 0. If not equals to 0, it means it has a value, set value, and then what we're gonna do is return, right? And then next, if it's has a value, but the current counter is not yet, or maybe this, it should be more than your limit. No, 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 this one. Your counter, this one is like increasing from time, right? And then it should be more than or equals to element transfer cooldown, which is we set it from down here, like we plus the counter plus the trigger time, which is 60 seconds. Um, we good. And then if it's 0, which means no cooldown yet, no, you didn't trigger anything, you return, right? Right now we're gonna set this to 0 when you don't have permission, so we because you didn't trigger anything, right? It returns you right away, but you're still haven't set, right? Because you return it right away, so it's okay. We're still good, right? It's still here too. You return, but in your points, you're deducting points. I wonder if there's something wrong here. You need to put this to 0. Let's say execute and then it fails, don't return it, right? Just set or after this. But everything is good because we're putting the cooldown after everything executed, right? Okay, going back. So check interval, we're good. We're bypassing that, and then this one for later. For executing, no, we need to do some. We go to dev, uh, comma, uh, send notif Discord, right? This, I'm just putting this here maybe in the top after points. Because if you don't want, because it really gets spammy, because it's just checking and then you're still reporting it to Discord, and then it's kind of spammy. I think that this is the only important to send to Discord, but I put it this one so anyone has you know um option for sending Discord. So right now, maybe I'll put this one first before the execute or this one because we're gonna copy paste all of this on the other callbacks. Okay. Um, Notif result first. That's easy, you know. Copy paste your thing here. For executing, let's say blue, um, success, post, right? Then in your notif, if success, then your notif. Copy paste this green, display time notif, go to our messages. Where are the messages? Here. Um, check success, maybe. Uh, I think we're gonna make new one. What we're gonna do here is, let's see, what is this check limit? Um, limit. Check limit message on message. Okay. Um, your your current element upload limit. Oh yes, 0. The current upload your current element limit. Current element upload limit. Okay, 0. Check limit message. Check limit message. Then just copy paste this. Here. What we do here, we're gonna copy the one with 0 and 1, but we don't use that. I think you just comma this, and then what you want to have the limit, right? So bool, no, in is not float, limit, element load limit equals to 0, right? Then just paste it right here. Okay, so it will automatically format that 0 into this one. Okay, I don't think you need to put 0. I just put it like there so the other people, not a programmer, that can understand that this is the first one and this is the second one. So if they mix them around, it will show different result. Okay, so if success, notify result, notify the player. If you want to put it in logs as well, what you could do is copy paste this one. Copy paste, but make some more detailed, uh not permission, is uh, debug transfer. All right. What you could do is the player name maybe. Oh yeah, I wish I have this. I think we do have um. Wait. We do have this one already. Delete. No, the one that we delete. Um, character name. Mister character name. What? Character name. Wait, we do have this one. Character name. Oh man, I think we do have. For example, this one. What you could do is player blah blah blah. We're gonna change this later. Player uh, check uh, element upload limit. Then you can pass what's its limit, right? What is limit? Character name. Oh yeah, we do have character name. Oh man, I'm so. And then send the function first. Here we're gonna limit, then the function at the back, and then the player name. Since we do have the player character name to string. I didn't notice that we have it here. Okay, so player check element upload limit and then the limit and then the function. Okay. Alright, so we're done with the motif. We do need this one for yeah. Okay. This one, Discord report. Uh, hmm, I think we have it here in our utils. There, go up there. Send message to Discord. Yes, we do have application format. Okay, you just copy paste this. Then, so but we need to do some uh like this. If else, uh, paste this one. And then same as this one. It is string. Message, right? What you could do is std string message equals to fmt format like that, and then your format, right? And string element. Okay, we only have the no function here. So getting string to string, hopefully, yeah, we good. Element upload limit, player element check upload limit. Yeah, what you could do, you can put this on the string, like, you know if you want. Maybe we can do this here, here. This, but this one, score, this, uh, like, limit message, or you can contain them as well if you want. I'm not gonna do it here. Uh, yeah, I just put all the messages in one area. I could use the Discord so it can make you like, yeah, you can do that just to contain every Discord messages. You can do that as well. That's no problem. Like this messages, right? Because this one Discord embed template, it's like, so, if you're gonna use the embed template as well, you can do a lot of formatting, you know. Uh, that's for later anyway. We can just easily, but for now, I use this. We paste this, put it right here. Then add like 0 and 1. Make sure that they know that it's stored message. So we can just remove this part. Then like this. C string, and then it will format like that. Um, check message. No, you could do Discord bot and messages. You just add here. See, okay, Discord bot because we're not config Discord bot, and then messages, and then the value check limit Discord message. Then the default, which is I just copy paste here. Just gonna copy paste it here. Okay. Uh, you can, I think you can just leave 1 and 0. Okay, and then character, and then upload the image. All right, that's good. That's good. Great. So finally send it to Discord. All right. What are message? Maybe we check this for because we only have message. Oh yeah, we setting the user. No. The username and avatar from our config as well. Like the image, and then the username. Why we don't have username? What we can do? Hmm, we're not sending this. We're gonna art what? Yeah, this is hard coded. Hard coded. So our content is message, and then the username, artbot, and then avatar URL. Right. This one is bot URL. We're gonna add one more here. Discord bot, and then our Discord sender name. Or maybe uh, bot user. Just like that. So you know who sent it. Discord bot, Discord username, or bot user. Then we send, instead of art bot, we're gonna send the username right there. Okay. And then we're good to sending Discord. We just put some a little bit modification for it. Also this one. Okay, so sending there, we're already done. And then hmm, motive success, the execution for later, then form bypass. I wanna do this because I'm gonna copy paste it from here. Oh, because we're gonna no form bypass. Because if you don't have permission, you just return, right? Oh, man. Because we are checking here for permission if it's pick definition permission group. We are just getting the permission, priority permission from here. Where is it? Uh, Permissions here. But we are not checking if we really have a permission, like if this one is true or false, right? So we're gonna do what we're gonna do there. Because we're sending points right here. Because we are not, if we are not using points, then this is all nonsense. Even this one at the end, right? No permissions. No points, which means Mhm. Perms, mastering perms. Because if you are not using permission, then you might, or the user might not put anything here. Because you're not, it is nonsense that you're not putting permissions, right? So what we're gonna do, this one plus, and we're not deducting any because, oh man, this is so, hmm, maybe I'll remove this. But, you know, you can use this without permission. I wish that every command has do this, but it's really, um, it's not normal. And maybe I'll just put a limit on this. Maybe this one, disregard this now. Because, if no permission, there's a lot of things gonna, um, gonna be affected. Alright? Maybe some other time. Okay, so we're gonna do the execution. Yeah, we're gonna copy paste all of this. Hopefully we're good. Okay. Last one. Okay. What we do here first, our commands, which is upload, cmd check, trigger, let's minimize that one. And then the cmd you have, check the points, other points, remove the execute for now. Oh no, we need that, right? I don't know, the upload limit, we're gonna change that later on. Just for now, we skip that. The command, download command, and then get limit down. Okay. Then the other one, check uploaded. Minimize this one, check uploaded. Okay. One more thing, I need to change the cooldown because download cooldown. Let's put it right here for now. No, it's upload cooldown. Where's our upload cooldown? Paste it right there. Make sure you paste it at the last as well. Uh, Here, right? Then minimize them. Go to the next one for download cooldown. Check limit download cooldown. Down right here. Okay, then minimize that for now. And the last one, check uploaded cooldown. The last one. right about here. Okay, great. We continue this one first because this is the easy one, I believe. Okay, so we set the first one. We're gonna do some check our utils if you can use some function there. We're done here. Points, command string. Oh yeah, with the update player, read player, right? Read player. What we can do here, we did change this one into our uh, replace them 9 appearances. Good, right? Okay. So read player. We're gonna copy paste those. Um, what you could do is make another function just for this one, copy paste this one, because we're gonna delete them later on, just to clean all our um check limit, uh, just check limit db, it's a database, right? Okay, we do have record for f string in our database, the one that uploaded uh the element, right? We don't have upload yet, but I assume that um our record will have a EOS ID, right? Then what we're gonna do here is just escaping the EOS ID, and then here query select all from where plug config plugin db settings. Yeah, the table name itself, getting that, and then um get the result, which is numbers. Read. Result size. Uh, we need to return our while bool. Mhm. We are reading it and putting in the result, but the problem is we are returning none of them. What we could do is um check limit, right? So we assume that this is a int, right? Because our limit is numbers. Uh, since we are using make it string, because the return is like a string. You can see here, string, right? The table name, and then a column name, and then the value. Okay. I can put some comment here, but it's okay. Return. We are returning it. The results. How can we do this? Mm, Is it vector? Because it means it should be zero, not the first one only, right? If we can use the first and second. Um, Here we can use this. If result the size, if false, right? And zero. Or log it. You don't have limit. It means, or you're not. Wait, this is sad because our limit, we are setting it from commands. Why I'm using database in this? I just realized that. I'm sorry, guys. Commands. Check limit commands. What's your limit anyway? For upload limit count, right? This is the one. If you want to check your limit. Or no. Check uploaded and then check limit. Yeah, that's it. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one, guys. Not anything else. Because like remaining, if you wanna have some remaining, I'll put it there later on. Anyway. Okay. So our limit upload should be command dot value, then limit upload, which is my command, then upload. This is check limit. Oh yeah, I need to put it right here as well. Here. Oh no, this is so bad. I need to go back from here. So sad. Because I need to. Yeah, because this one is for check limit. And then it's like redundant, right? Just remove it. What we're gonna do here, make sure you have this one or else this one not gonna work. Okay, just make it 0 and then if wait, check limit to string for command upload command maybe upload cmd upload json. Yeah, object is null, it's null, right? You can do this. It's not null. If it's not null, it means you have this, the whole thing, and then we gonna find some this one. Then copy paste this one and this one right here. Uh, limit upload. If it's not existent, then make it 0. If some user just accidentally deleted, okay, but we're still putting a 0 here, so it's okay. All right, then what else do we need for? So this one is so easy when success. Oh, not just right there. It's here because you successfully. Because if this one even if this one is null, it's still 0, right? So you can just put 0 right. Or if you want to put default, then default, right? But the default is 0. So we just put 0 there. We don't put points anyway, so just disregard this. It's just a template. So I think we're done because I'm getting the command string, which is check limit cmd, but it's not that. Should be upload. That's wrong. I'm sorry. Yeah. and then getting the limit upload count. So you then setting it from here, and then after setting it, we just gonna send it right here. Okay, so we're done there. I told you that's so easy. Okay, next stuff. Don't forget to remove that in utils. Check element uploaded. So this one is the one that we need. Okay. Maybe right here we need those again. This one. Then put the success right here. It's, then we need this one later on. I'll show you why. Um, yep. Okay, so this one, uh, check, uh, loaded DB. Okay, then we're gonna do is sending our EOS ID from here. Copy paste that one. Because that will be our parameter for this. Okay, and then we are setting string, right? And then int uploaded element equals check db. We do have some error right here because we are sending like that. Okay, so reading table name, which is our table, then we need to change this. Um, okay, so if we have size equals 0, which is right here false, right? And then else true. So this is the true side. Okay, what we're gonna do is return, um, put it there, int, uploaded element equals to 0. What you could do, we only need that one here because we're returning 0 right there. So instead of declaring it up there, I just declare it from here. Okay, great. You can save it. No, we don't have error now. And then what we could do here, we are expecting only one record on this. I just put it vector because that's the normal thing to do. Results, which is 0, your vector 0. And then since this is a map, instead of doing for loop in this object or vector, the first is the column, which is the second. But the problem is we do need to have hmm, wait, one probably. Uh, the vector. Uh, hmm, vector map. It's not like that because that's for object, right? And then for am I right or wrong? Yes. Um, Pointer to be bound may only use the call function. Let's try Copilot if it's gonna show us a good thing. Force our views. Window, Copilot, where are you? View. Where's Copilot? There. Oh, here. What? Result, personal. I think this is the one that. Hmm. I think this one won't work because of this. STD vector front. Oh, okay. I think I missed this one. And then the first would be like this, I believe. No. Okay. Or maybe this one, like this. Wait, what? It's not a pair in map of map. Yeah, that's the same thing. Are we? Yeah, STD map, right? STD map. Wait, I'm trying to Google, I think this one is different. I have something in mind. The key, no. We're not gonna do the. I just want the value. First or second. That should be go. Second. I don't know why this one is wrong. No member. Oh, GPT 4.0. We can. Potential fix, dude. What? What's my. If I accept this. Oh, is that my error only? Wait. What happened here? No, at second. At second. A. Oh, we need to identify. Just remove this. I know it's this. Second means like add. We can, but no. Add. Please add begin and you can find if you want in the key, which is our first value. What you're gonna do here is the table name. Here. Hmm. What will be our table name now? We haven't set it up. That's our table name, but we're not gonna use that. Um, we're looking for uploaded element, which is give me a moment. Gonna look for the thing. Plugin DB settings, right? Then table the field. I'm looking for the field name. Utils. Load database. This is not the one config. I'm not using it from here. Oh, my utils. I'm going down. Yep. It's amount. Sorry. Yeah. Amount. We can use here amount. So we're getting all uploaded. You see. I have something wrong. Why? No problem. Anyway, why more like this? Oh, he just put CSTR because this is a string anyway. Before doing array, which is converting it to int. All right. So we could try this, but later on. Okay, so we're getting the uploaded element. Okay. So after here, what we're gonna do here, make sure it's success. If it's not zero, maybe. Okay, success already. That's true. Success. This is nonsense, to be honest, because you don't know if you have something wrong in there. It doesn't give you a result. For this one, this is a boolean, right? What you could do here, this is a pair again. Oh my. Maybe you send if this one falls, since this one is boolean. What you could do here is if, because this one will trigger um if a negative one. Okay, which means this one is okay because you don't have any error. You just return zero since you don't have uploaded element or no result. Or you can find your um ID there, and as well as this one, right? But here, if it's success, uh, upload element right here is must negative one or less than the zero, right? And then if less than true, no, false, then true, right? So it's just like that. So yeah, makes sense now. Right? Okay. Uploaded element. Um, what you're gonna do here? Um, Player, blah blah blah, has has numbers. Uploaded element over. And you can just do this slash and then this one. Okay, and then limit. And the function just for yourself, for the admin, server admin. And then this is the one for send notification for you, for the player. Check limit. We check here if have a message for that we could change. Remove the comma there. That's the last one. Check upload message. Add comma right here. Okay. Check uploaded message. Check uploaded message. We're gonna construct something here. What we gonna do? You have and then 0 over the limit one. Element upload. Okay. If you want to change the color, it's up to you. But for me, I'll leave it like right. You have upload. Look. Let's say 100 over 100 uploaded element. Uploaded. 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 Okay. So you're just checking how much you have already uploaded. Okay. Uploaded element. I put it right here. Okay. So 0 and 1. So you just copy paste this about here. And you're good to go. Okay. Then that's it. Um, we just send it there and we just copy paste. Oh wow. It's just the same thing, like right here on your logs. You want here. We can just copy paste this. But Discord check uploaded look, message. They're the same. Just to make it uniform, I'll just remove them and put it up here. Okay. Check Discord uploaded element. Discord bot messages. I know it's like redundant, but it's up to you. We're gonna change another one here. Player. No, 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 no. Player has blah blah blah. Right. Player has element upload limit. Base upload limit. Right. Element player has 1, 2, 3. And I'm not gonna send the function. Upload limit. Good. Good stuff. Okay. Why we have wrong message right there? Make sure you change this. The default value. If this one is blank. Okay. Has 100 over 100 uploaded element. Good. Okay, then send to Discord. Alright. Almost done. Two more upload and download. Away. Oh, like, yeah, it's 2 hours video right now. Oh, man. I hope you're still there or not sleeping. Okay, and then first upload. We don't have upload yet. Okay. Um, what we're gonna do here? Ooh, it's so. We're gonna do check upload. Gonna copy paste this one. So we need those. We need them. Since we are checking the upload already, we're gonna use take advantage of command instead of that. Because we already have this one, so we don't need the copy paste right here like this. Okay. Oh, you can just directly do it right about here. Okay, since we are already in uh, upload command. All right. Right here, if you are not following me, we're already getting this, so we already have access to this JSON E. Okay, what we're gonna do here, because I'm gonna show later on that we have uploaded thing and then the over. Okay, I mean the limit, so the player will know that, oh, I almost leave it, so I can only upload like 65, 69, and whatever. Let me drink my coffee because I'm yawning too much. All right, it's been 2 hours. Maybe I'll do this like one video at a day, because I have a lot of pending that I need to do, and I'm just sharing it. This is free. I'm not expecting any profit or any income from YouTube. It's just a scientist logs. Like, I'm just sharing everything that I did for the past few years. All right. Um, Going back, so we need to finish this, upload it. I know. I wish I can just copy paste everything, what I did, but I'm kind of not into that because I want to redo everything. So it's kind of refresh my brain as well. Refresh, refresh. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Also, when I just copy paste my thing, like my existing code, it's not factor, you know, to the level that it's just like a prototype that cause a lot of issues, right? So when you are reading it, it's like factoring everything as well, right? And as well, it makes you, get the best practices. But I know, sometimes I miss something. It's not best practices. It's up to you, and maybe share it for me so I can learn from you as well, right? Okay, so going back, hmm, of course, we're gonna do some checks here, internally, like the player, if the player not die or not dead, like this. But we're gonna change it to PC because my code before is like player controller. Before we getting anything else, make sure you're not dead because if someone killed you and you can just type fast and just upload like that, and it's like cheating, it's because uh, well, if you don't want to lose your thing, right? But it's a good thing. Like if the wild dino is killing you, you can just pass, upload your thing. But for the player, it's like cheating, right? Player to player. Okay. Um, what we're gonna do here? Oh, I saw my code for non like if the permission is disabled, you're gonna change that one. But we're not gonna do that anymore here. All right. Okay. And after checking the commands and the font and stuff, right? What we're gonna do here is Of course, here first, check, more checks, more checks. Really do that, you know. First, upload, wait. Upload anywhere, this one, highlight them so we can see it, right? Oh, we forgot this guy. Can I do this first? Did I? And I'm doing wrong stuff here. Look, very wrong. Very wrong. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Copy paste this one. Paste it from here, and then the notif Discord. Then the value is false. Normal. I mean the default. So if this one didn't get this one, and then the default is false, then equals to true. So this is the right value for Discord report. We're gonna replicate them to our other um, commands because that's very wrong. Okay, I just noticed it right away when I see it. I'll open this and then close it back if you will. This one. All right, so we're done. We're done. We haven't compiled this. I wish we don't have more problems later on when we compile. Okay, it's a lot. Okay, going back here. So we fix that. Highlight this, and then um. Okay, so if not, command that value. Wish I can copy paste it. Yeah, copy paste this. Um, this one just making you. This one is just checking you if that one is existing in the JSON. If not, oh yeah, that's fine. Same, right? Don't negate this. No, don't negate it because we have a default value here. It will make negate as true if it's if it's false. Like if this one is missing, right? Make sure that the value you are looking for is true or maybe false. It's what we're gonna do there is upload anywhere, right? Then we just copy paste something here. Where notif, please give me some notif success. I think our success has this. Okay, and then return finally, right? Return it because we don't have to execute anything. Okay, then upload and find your message, of course. Where's our message? We don't- This one. You don't need to send it to Discord, only the upload result, right? If you want, just modify this and compile. Terminal, terminal required, terminal required. Okay, messages, terminal required, and then just copy paste this. For your default, you can just blank if you want, if you're lazy enough. Okay, so we're not sending, formatting anything that requires a value. That's why I remove it. Okay, upload anywhere if false, then it will no. Upload anywhere if false. Of course, you can upload anywhere. That's why it's false. Then it will ask you to find a download terminal, right? Hmm. And then, of course, not just like that, and end, then PC underscore, no, PC just like this, viewing and upload terminal. So it means the player is viewing not equals, okay? So if this one is false, it will ask you to, it will check another one that if you are not viewing, if it's true, and then it's not gonna do anything. So if it's false that you're not viewing an upload terminal, it will show this one. Maybe white green, right? Maybe orange because it's not that uh, uh error, you know. And then U primal, of course, we're gonna check its inventory. I wish I have access to the inventory component equals PC get player character my inventory. We have access here. My inventory component field. Okay, inventory if not equals inventory component, then return. Because if you want, I don't think that you need to know that you have error in inventory because that's not happening much. Just just redo it again. Limit. What's my load count equals what's our limit upload count? Do we get it? We get it already. Element upload limit. We don't need to do this because we already have this. Make sure our yeah, I'm gonna make sure that our formatting of declaring a value is camel case like this. Small cap in camel case, Okay. Um, we have uploads, right? We do have this, so we can take advantage of this. Uh, yeah, we're returning int. What we're gonna do here is um, int loaded element, right? Was this then PC get USID like that. Okay. What's next? We're gonna check um if you reach, of course. If you already, this is your uploaded element, mas mataas, like more than or element upload limit, right? And then return, right? You can just copy paste all this, then make sure your orange, your message, and then get your message right here. You have reached the maximum. Okay. Then copy paste the default value. You have reached the server maximum upload limit, which is your upload limit is your element upload limit, just like that. Okay. It's limit. So even if it's close, we know that it will checking like that. Okay. Um, what we're gonna do here means we need to, because in C++, let me explain first, this will make another 30 minutes of your life. I'm just kidding. Anyway, um, you can't remove, um, let's say you are looping in array, you can remove right away. But I think you can, but to be safe, I'm not gonna remove any item while we are looping the inventory. So what we're gonna do right now, declaring a T array primal item, then item for removal. Okay. Then another array, T array, u primal items. Why do we have S there? Items, okay, which is our declaration inventory, inv clone inventory. I can directly use this anyway because we don't need to have those items. No, inventory items. Yeah, I can directly do this just to save us something. Okay. For new primal item, item, and then your items, item list. Okay, so we're looping. So this is the one that I we can try that we can if we can remove item while we are looping like real time, but it's not safe. You might have some memory leaks or something, right? Yeah, but I know that I tried it before. I think you need to use lambda for that, like find and remove. But you could have so much headache using lambda. But if you are get used to use a lambda functions, you can do so. It's up to you, right? What we're gonna do here, this is not really very intuitive, so I'm gonna change this. Okay, break. Okay, it's I don't want put a lot of if inside if. So for this item class private field and end item be allow removal, no, allow removal from inventory the get and end item. This item is b engram. Anyway, we're gonna negate every gram that get because that's a boolean there. Item is item false because we're not gonna looping. I don't think that we need this. That's my old code, probably. Yeah, that is. Mm, mm, mm. I don't. Because since we are looping only, um, not break, continue, or else it's not gonna loop anymore. We only looping in the valid items, right? Or item last week. We're not checking if it's element or. Hmm, hmm, hmm. not checking. I declared this. Okay, okay. So I think we can just remove this. Allow from item removal. This kind. And then we'll see if we have some issues later on. So we are if it's engram, and then we can just check another one. Let's see if there's a item engram. No, it's only B is engram. Okay, that's about it. So if it's engram and then item skin, continue the loop. If it's not, we're gonna check constant. Oh no no no. Oh, what we're gonna do here is hi. Wait, wait. Where are you going? Hmm. First, we need to match the blueprint from this guy, this one. Okay, so we're gonna do this here. Maybe void for now. Boolean. Boolean. Check. Match blueprint class. Okay. So we are matching return true here, so we don't have any issues for now. So array D. I think should I get it right away? Because we are using the array, not C++ array. Uh, String maybe. Um, B config BP, right? And then element transfer um on config general. So since it's array, hello man. Mhm. Just double checking their documentation that we are getting the enrollment back they call this array. Okay. So it's not it's vector because it's enrollment uh std std string, right? So std vector config pp um here. Anyway, we're gonna check it later. What's our element bp, right? So we're transferring config element bp dot um no dot get. Make sure this our copy paste this one, your type like that. Okay, so it will put it here. Then from there we can just loop our std. Of course you're looping to the string, and then bp, then your config bp like this. Okay. Mm. Of course we're gonna send something here like if you have match to class and then your item. If it's matched, then hooray, right? So we're not sending it yet, but we're gonna use our view primal item, okay? And then from there, no, from there, hmm, we gonna get this one. I- Item BP equals F string, of course, F string one by one, ASAAP. You can limit as well because we are only getting element, right? And not equals to item dot descriptive name base field probably, because if it's a mod, it will show up like element as well, right? So we're getting not equal to um things. Descriptive base name field not equal, not contains element. Right. E search case, you can do search case, ignore case. Yeah, that's ignoring the case already, so we're not gonna um put it like that. Okay? Because I was thinking like, if you don't do this part, every item you have, it will check, it will match the BP, right? So that's not really good because um we're checking every item, right? Item blueprint, which is the item. Okay, so we're getting the item blueprint of this item, and then we will manage it from here. Okay, until end. Oh, make sure your return is full. Is bool is match. Okay. For example, here, if your BP, it will check. Oh, yo, you can do this. Um, Item BP. This is the one. Oh, no, 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 no. Config BP that contains hat, or maybe hat. I think they have contains. Um, C++ vector class. Yeah, contains. I think they have contains. No, I think no. Oh no. Yeah, instead of looping, we can just uh yeah, CD find like this. Um vector vector config bp dot begin config bp dot end, and then your um the one that we need to find, item bp, then we're closing that. If yeah, not equals to config bp dot end question mark, not config b false, and then true, and then true, right? Like that, instead of looping. Okay, hopefully this works. Let's see later. Oh, you can just directly return it like that. You don't need to declare another thing. Okay, so this one is just checking if it's um we have a match blueprint that allows element to get uploaded. Okay, and then if it's allowed, I mean if it's the same blueprint, we can just make none. Then if you want to log this, it's up to you. If it's not, continue, right? You can only log this if it's you are debugging. But for me, I'm pretty sure that you know we are in a good hands. Okay, so int um this is a problem in Arc. Not really a problem, but really not intuitive to do it. Um, I think you can find a better way to do this, but for me, this is what I do. For example, you get all the elements you have in your inventory, and then remove it. Uh, remove. Is this easy if it's like larger? Let's say you have stock of 100. Um, for example, your stocking element equals to 100, and then you want to remove a 50, remove 50, right? Then that's it. You can remain 50. It's easy, right? Like um you have a stock, but what if you have 150? How many loop you will have here? How many loop? Two, right? So you will remain 100, and it will now, what you can do is from the easy version, um remove everything. Let's say you get the 150, and then after triggering this, but this is dangerous, right? You removing everything, remove everything, and then deduct it from then and give remaining, remaining, right? If you have 150, you have 100, give remain back to the player. So that's easy. That's one way to do it. But what I'm doing here is looping. We're already looping stock, which is the item is the stacking. If you are maximum of 100 element per stack, so the quantity of this item, if we found element, is 100 already. So from there we can just remove the 50 that we want to remove, and then um, that's it. You don't need to. We just update the item, and that's it, and then put it to our database, right? Yeah. So that's what I'm doing instead of removing everything, and then if you have some error, then your element, your player's element gone forever. Yeah, it's just something wrong. So what we're gonna do is uh item quantity uh, in quantity equals to item, that item one. I can do directly this, but it's better if we declare it, so we can just use this instead of this one, because this one changes. So we're caching the item quantity before we do. Okay. Mm-hmm. So we got uploaded elements. No, we already have get one here. Uploaded element. We're checking on the DB, right? So uploaded element already have it. Um. He available. So in what we can do here. straight right here. Because I'm not gonna do it right here because no, we need to do it right here. The checking of the available, you know, because we are updating it. Available, upload, available, available limit equals. Uh, what we're gonna do is upload it. Um, Also, I think um, we were upload then no. Mm, if we use this, yeah, upload minus uploaded element minus our um limit, which is where are you? Want you here? Element upload limit. Right. We are minus so available upload limit. So this is our current upload limit. So if we are able to upload, which is for example, we uploaded 50 already, and our limit is let's just put limit here for now so we don't forget. We have 100 limit, right? So for example, we have a 50 upload, and then this one returns 50. Okay, then upload and we're getting quantity. So when we success, we get the quantity. For example, we have 50 element, right? This one, if you don't have element, this one, this just skip, right? So what we're gonna do, we don't change. We don't change anything like the success or the points. So if it's a success, what you can do is if it's success, put the point reduction here because you reducted the point. Maybe a cost, we're gonna put the cost like 50 points per upload for now. So we know that we are reducing points here. Okay. And then if you want it as well that you can only send notification on Discord when it's success, when it's not, don't send it, right? Because it's right here. Discord message, player check element. No, we're gonna change this is to upload, right? So we paste it here as well because the moment that you want to report to Discord is just like that. Also, this one when it's success, you're only setting now because you must do you must limit the player for spamming the command because even if it's not success, yeah, they can still spam it. Like we do have some checks here that running the functions, so it gives load to our server. So you can only do everything like you're sending this one when it's success. Okay, so right now our success is false. Upload anywhere. We didn't do anything yet. Download automatic download. So if the automatic download, oh no, that's for later on. Allow download same map. This one we need to do this. Okay. Same map. I forgot to do this. Anyway, the calculation later going back there. I just want to do this first. First, of course, you can what you can do for upload same map before checking everything, because you have access on the map name before here, right here, command before checking your points, right? Check if same map, because you before there, even here you can have access to the map name. So what you could do is command value. You can just copy paste this. If command value, then return maybe. And that's a Python thing. Oh man, this is the problem when you're programming in different languages. Same map, okay? And it's false. Then equals to if it's not if it's false, what you could do is check the map too. Now same map, check map. Okay, so the map um is not gonna we're not gonna check the map. Uploaded map. Yeah, because I'm saving the map name to our database. So we're gonna make another function here. Boolean check check map check same map. Okay, because some of the servers are not uh like mm, they don't allow downloading element if you're already downloaded. Some kind of restriction right there. Map name. Okay, because map is like a common word for okay. Scale or maybe you can just copy paste this one. Because this is the same thing. So that's boolean. Okay, let me explain this. And then copy paste this word. Okay, this is just escape. And then map to string. We skip the map thing, the map name as well. And then we are checking element transfer. Oh no, this is bad. It's kinda where's the other one? Check table name right here. Table name and get string, right? Just make sure you have it. So whenever you change a table name, it will change it as well. Okay? So table name and then table plugin DB setting, table name, then EOS ID, which is a EOS ID, and map name and map name. Okay? Just read the result. If we don't have result, remove them. Oh no, return false. And if equals equals f string at f name, right? This one, we need to make sure that it is case sensitive. But you didn't really because it's hard coded anyway, so you don't really need this. But just to make sure, okay? If is the bug, this is not we're not using this. Are we using it? Element transfer.h. Go here. Is the bug? Is the bug? Yeah, we're using it. Okay, so same map, just